Good wishes, dear students. In the previous class, you learnt about definition for a redox reactions and the types of redox reactions. Under definition, I told you redox reactions, when we say it undergoes oxidation as well as reduction. Now you need to know what's the meaning of oxidation and what's the meaning of reduction. So let's quickly analyze it. Oxidation, when you say addition of oxygen takes place. Reduction, when you say addition of hydrogen takes place. Now whatever points you see, the same concept but different wordings they can be used to explain the concept here. So you needn't get confused. As a teacher, I need to explain all the different concepts to you. But finally, I will tell you which point you need to remember to understand the concept of oxidation and reduction. So summing up again, oxidation when we say addition of oxygen, reduction when we say addition of hydrogen. The opposite of it, one more way of writing. Oxidation when you say, you can also say when you add oxygen, you have to remove something. What are we removing? Hydrogens we are removing. Come on the other side. Addition of hydrogen when you say you have to remove something. What are we removing? Oxygen. So these two statements are vice versa of one another. Addition of oxygen, removal of hydrogen. Addition of hydrogen, removal of oxygen. The third type of same concept explained in different manner. Oxidation when you say, addition of non-metal or a electronegative element. What's the meaning of electronegative element? Ability of an atom to attract the shared electrons. We'll talk about the shared electrons and all when we go back to that particular concept. All I want you all to know is electronegative meaning they have the ability to attract or they accept the electron. Remember the word better than attract, they accept the electron. So addition of a non-metal or a electronegative element, when you say whatever type of elements we are adding, they accept the electron. Under reduction, when you see addition of metal, here addition of non-metal which accepts the electron, here addition of metal which donates the electron. So that's the meaning of electropositive element, ability of an atom to lose the electron, or you can say donate the electron. If they are accepting, they are donating. If they are attracting, they are losing. These are the words you can use it. So I hope you are clear with the meaning of non-metal or a electronegative element. They accept the electron. Metal or a electropositive, they lose the electron or they donate the electron. The fourth type of statement for the same concept here is removal of metal. Now the first two was the reverse of one another. Now we are reversing the same statement. Oxidation when you say, now what you are adding, you can say removal of metal or a electropositive element. Here removal of non-metal or a removal of electronegative element. The first statement, the second one will be the reverse of it. The third statement, fourth one will be the reverse of it, but the same concept. Where you are using the word addition, you have to use the word removal. That's all. Coming back to the key concept or a key word of oxidation and reduction. Oxidation when we say loss of electron takes place. Reduction when you say gain of electron takes place. So all I want you all to remember, when you hear a word oxidation and reduction, remember addition of oxygen takes place. Now not always oxygen, addition of loss of electrons also can be referred to as an oxidation. Similarly, reduction when you say addition of hydrogen. In other words, you can say gaining of electrons. Here they are losing the electron, here they are accepting the electron. Two different concepts only. Based on addition of oxygen, based on loss of electron, we will see redox type of reactions. Similarly, based on addition of hydrogen and based on gain of electrons, we will see reduction type of redox reactions. Now the easy way of remembering what my teacher taught, the same clue I am giving you. Oxidation, what will you remember? Oil. Reduction, what will you remember? Rig. Oil stands for oxidation. The first letter I have taken. Oxidation is loss of electron. Reduction when you say Rig stands for reduction is gain of electrons. I hope the concept is clear. Please remember the first Fifth and the last concept, if you remember oil and rig, more than that you don't need to study anything more to understand the concept of redox reactions, oxidation and reduction. Thank you.